What is happening, guys? Mike here, welcome back to the channel. Today we are continuing on our week of new releases with a look at the latest drop from Templeton Tonics. Alright, so once again, welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you guys checking out this video. I hope everybody's doing well. This should be a pretty cool video. We got something pretty nice here to check out and review from Templeton Tonics. This has been a brand that I have featured a couple times in the past, and as they release new items, I'm always happy to provide a look to you guys at what they come up with. I'm a big fan of Chris and what he's done with his line. I think he's a very talented product maker, and whenever I see that he's putting out something new, I always make a mental note to pick it up, take a look at it, and bring it here on the channel for you guys to check out. I really think this is probably the best label that he's had designed for his line yet, and when I first saw it, I knew instantly I had to get my hands on it. I'm pretty sure when you guys see it up close, you'll know what I'm talking about. So let's get a closer look at this product and some specs. Here we go. Coming across my desk today is the new release from Templeton Tonics. According to the brand, Atlas is a new take on the classic oil-based pomade. It's said to offer a smooth, medium shine and a solid, reliable hold. It also features special ingredients like shea butter glycerides that help with both styling and the washout, along with light oils that nurture the hair, and silica powder that expands the hair follicle and makes the hair appear thicker. This product can be made using one of 6 scents that the brand offers, and it sells for $18 US for 4 ounces. Looking inside the jar, we can see that this looks very much like what we would expect out of an oil-based pomade. Looking a little further, we can see that this one also has a very easy scoop to it. It comes out so smooth and breaks down in the hand all the way with very little pressure. We can also get a clear preview of how this one will perform in the hair by this awesome breakdown. Today we're rolling with some petro, so that means damp hair. Adding this product in is just as we expected from the breakdown. It glides right in very easily and has a very good presence in the hair in the form of stickiness, but it has no tug or pull. A word I would use to describe it as I apply it and begin combing is balanced. It's got a fantastic balance between stickiness, hold, and stability. This is further evidenced by how well the product works in the hair with a comb to help the hair stick together and build both volume and shape. The fact that it works so well with tools like a comb or a pick is a very big plus for me. It really shows you how well this product was designed from the moment it enters the hair. And with that, we have our final style. Now I have to say that styling with this product was pretty enjoyable, and the final style was just exactly what I was hoping to achieve. Of course though, I had to put it through the endurance test for you guys so we can see how it held up throughout the day. At the 4-hour mark, we can see we did have a little bit of movement in the style, and maybe a bit of loss in that hold. It was quite hot here though during the day that I did this test, but at the 8-hour mark, we can see that there really wasn't too much more loss in that hold. But it's here that we discover the hidden secret that lies within this product, the restyle. Check out how well this product restyles here. For me, it really ended up looking better than the original style. Now that restyle feature is really quite interesting. I think it might be the hidden gem that really sets this pomade apart. The longer the pomade sits in your hair, the more you actually get a look at those oils that we talked about in the description of the product. They settle into your hair and scalp very nicely and give the hair a healthy and full look to it, all the while still providing hold. Let me show you what I mean. Take another look at the restyle we got after 8 hours in the hair. The shine has even gone down a little. It just brings a really healthy, natural look back into the hair that I don't think that we see too often with oil-based pomades. Now for the washout, I am going to talk about that in a second, but first let's quickly discuss the scent. There's actually 6 total different scent options that you can choose from when buying from this brand, and this one here is actually the Heritage scent. And the way that I'm I'm going to describe it here to you guys is the same way that I described it to Chris Templeton, the brewer. And that is, when I open the lid, I immediately think to myself, this is how an oil base should smell. It's just got that smooth blend of scents that perfectly matches the product and really just gives off that classic grease vibe. For me, the Heritage scent really is well done. You can't actually smell it in the hair once it's actually applied to the hair, and for my allergies, it actually worked very well. But now let's talk about my final thoughts here, and I'll try to keep it short. I think that overall, this was very well made as far as performance in the hair goes. The only pieces of criticism that I noted during my test was 1, the washout, and 2, the described use of silica. The washout, for me, to be honest with you guys, wasn't as easy as I was expecting, and I'm not sure if I was hoping it would be easier or I misunderstood it to be easier or what. It's totally possible, but what I saw was that after one wash, it was still mostly present in my hair, and after one round of the conditioner method too, it was still somewhat present in my hair. So in the end, it took me about 2 rounds of washing to get it out of my hair. Again, that's all about perspective too. Heavy grease users might find this to actually wash out a little easier than usual, and I'm not saying it was extremely hard to get out. I guess I was just expecting it to come out a little bit easier than it did. And as for the use of silica, I guess I just didn't see much of that thickening effect in my hair. That's basically it. It says it's supposed to thicken the follicle, and really I just didn't quite see any of that. That being said though, please do not misinterpret this as me saying the product is bad, because those pieces of criticism aside, I was thoroughly impressed by the performance of the product, especially with that settling and long-term styling ability. That feature alone is enough for me to recommend this product to you guys, whether you're an oil-based lover or not. It really doesn't matter if you like oil-based or not. If you're a pomade user, then yes, this is one that I would recommend to you for sure. I mean, really, you got great performance, a great scent, a beautiful looking jar. I mean, I've said it a million times, you can't beat it with a stick. If you want to check out Atlas from Templeton Tonics, I will leave a link and a coupon code for you guys in the description for you to take a look at and check out if you wish to do so. If you did enjoy this episode though, do me a favor and hit that like button for me and drop me a comment down below. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I do want to also invite you to consider it. And while you're at it, you might want to turn on those notifications as well, especially because in our next video, we're going to be taking a look at the newly released Fat Boy Spray Putty. Apparently, this is supposed to be everything that we love about the Fat Boy Perfect Putty, just in a spray form. I'll tell you right now, this is going to make for a very interesting video, so you're not going to want to miss that. But that is it for today's episode. I want to thank you so much for stopping by the channel today and checking out this video. I'll be back with you guys again very soon. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.